Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you create a public profile on Snapchat, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end. So let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application, we need to get something out of the way. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, head out to Snapchat. So in the search bar, type Snapchat and you find it in the results right here. Go ahead and tap on it to open it from here, and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version to make sure everything works properly in this process. So of course, after updating your app, you can quit the store, and then let's head out to Snapchat now. From here, make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see here, guys, I have to be logged into my account to create a public profile. From here, head out to your profile by tapping here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji. And right here, you'll find the Create Public Profile option. All you need to do is to tap on it to open it. You can find some features right here. You can just tap on Get Started in the bottom. So tap on Get Started. And then all you need to do from here is to tap on Create. Wait for a couple of seconds. And voila, you have your public account created. To open it, just tap on it again from here, and you can tap on here on this icon to change your cover photo or upload them. You can tap on edit to, of course, edit some information, add a bio, location, and whether you want to show subscriber count or not. You can even tap right here on this preview button to see how will people see your account once you add stuff to it, like stories and stuff like that. And that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your comments in the comment section, and even your questions. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.